Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw wildmutts from Ben 10. But before I begin, here's a little notification. Warning: character may be too big to finish up. Please be entertained by what designs you're about to see. Thank you. And be sure to leave a comment below. So, anyways, you see wildmutt. He's one of the Ben 10 second Ben 10 characters that's been transformed into when he first discovered the Omnitrix. Since then, wildmutt has been one of my favorite characters. Never had a hold of the action figure as a kid, but the no eyes feature, that's definitely worth something looking at. So, anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw his lips here, then his teeth. Then you want to... Then you must add his face beard here. There we go. There's his face beard. There's his gills. There's his fur. Next up, you just gotta draw his gills. Next thing you got here.
You want some tea?
Not right now, Mom.
Okay.
There's his fur. There's his fur. There's his claw. There we go. And there's his fur. And here's his gauntlet with the Omnitrix mark on his side here. There we go. There's his leg here. There's his toe. And there we go. And done. That is how you draw a wild mutt. Pretty easy, huh? I got the fur done, I got his leg, I got the gills. Anyways, that's all the time I have for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to smash that like button. And I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. So, bye then.